Hi everyone, welcome to Electrospark channel. Here I am explaining electrical circuit components and their symbols. Keep watching till end. This is a resistor. Used to resist current flow. Its unit is ohm and symbol is below. This is a light-dependent resistor, which resistance increase and decrease with light intensity. Here its symbol is. This is a potentiometer. It is also called variable resistor because its resistance can vary by adjustment the knob. Here is symbol with arrow crossover. This is a capacitor that stores electrical energy or charges on plates in electric field. Its unit is farad. Symbol is two vertical lines represent plates. This is an inductor that stores electrical energy in twisted rings of conductor called solenoid in the form of magnetic field. Its unit is Henry. Symbol is twisted copper rings lines. This is a diode. It is used to allow current in one direction. It is usually used in DC circuit for small current flow. Its symbol triangle represent P side and vertical line represents N side. This is a light emitting diode. It is a type of diode that emits light when current pass through. In symbols, arrows represent light emissions. This is a Zener diode. It is a type of diode that allows small current in both direction. The arrows at vertical line indicate reverse current flow. This is a transistor which is used as a switch in DC and AC circuit to control voltage and current flow. Here this is PNP type transistor which P side is sandwiched with N sides. The entering arrow indicates holes flow. This is a NPN transistor commonly used in electrical circuits. Its symbol is same as PNP transistor except here P side is sandwiched with N sides. The outgoing arrow indicates electrons flow. This is a transformer. It is an electrical static device that transforms electrical energy in the form of voltage and current from primary side to secondary side. We can also say it's step up and step down. Here is symbol the twisted rings indicates turns or coils of transformers, and vertical two lines represent its core. This is a battery or voltage source. It maintains voltage across circuit. It is symbolically represented by two vertical lines. But high potential side is slightly bigger than low potential side. Also red side is high potential side, black is low potential side. This is a switch. Its function is either to make or break circuit with supply side. It is symbolically represent with breaking line slightly cut. This is a DC motor. Its main function is to convert electrical energy to mechanical useful energy. It operates on direct current source. Its symbol is line with interval breakages with capital M. This is a light bulb. Its symbol is cross lines. This is a fuse used to limit excessive current flow through circuit. Its symbol is straight line in rectangular enclosure. This is an electric bell used to convert electrical energy to sound. Its symbol is here. It looks like hat or chimney. This is an electric fan. It is used to convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. Its symbol is represented by circle having three lines. This is a voltmeter used to measure voltage. Its symbol is V enclosed in circle. This is an ammeter. It is used to measure current represented by A enclosed in circle. This is a wattmeter. It is used to measure power represented by W enclosed in circle. This is a digital multimeter used to measure resistance, current and voltage. Its symbol is DMM enclosed in circle. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon.